I'm going short 3 contracts here. My son's asking me, like, how fast can you lose or make money on this? I was going to risk $3,600. So you can see I'm in before 8:30. Even if this were to gap up against me and start really running against me, I could take $6,000, $7,000 hit and it still would be relatively nothing. So I'm showing him something with real money. I'm showing you all something with real money. So that way you can appreciate the risks behind it and why I tell you not to trade ahead of it. These levels here were shared with you yesterday, all through here on these tweets. And you can see we're about to see this thing pop. Now it runs against me to the tune of about a little over $2,000. And in one tick, in one little fluctuation, it goes from negative 2,000 plus to positive 2,000 plus. Watch this candle rip up and then down. Just like that. I'm showing, this is an hourly chart, by the way. So I'm watching to see if it wants to accelerate below here to maybe reach for this. If it were to touch this candle here, I would close it, but I'm going to put a take profit and target on this one here in case it was to run down here, and I'll move a stop loss on. There's the stop. All right, see how fast that moved that? That's 1 hourly candle range, as you can see up here. I want to scrub back very, very carefully and take you right to the moment before the data was released rather. Right there. Okay. It looks like I'm up 21.25 while it's like this. It's moving so quick. See, look at that right there. I'm negative $2,035 right there. And then look at the time down here. Okay. Just ever so slightly in one tick, boom, just like that. Up 21.35. Now this can happen worst case scenario. It could have went even further up than it did. But I was using the fair value gap that I showed you on the 15-minute time frame and the sell side liquidity pool here. So it's a matter of me pointing to something that I talked about last night. This is not an encouragement for you to trade it, but I want you to see the volatility and how fast things can go awry real quick. I was perfectly accepting the fact that I could lose 6,000 or more today. And if I would have lost it, you would have saw it. That was the whole purpose. But the point is you don't want to trade this. I don't want you to think that this was an invitation to trade the CPI before it comes out. It's reckless to do so, but take a look at that, how that is showing I'm already up, but the chart hasn't even updated yet. Watch. Boom, look at that. It's then the chart catches up. So it's a matter of respecting the measure of risk, trading right into our sell side liquidity pool. So don't trade CPI.